വാതുക്കള് വെള്ളരിപ്രാവ് വാതുക്കള് വെള്ളരിപ്രാവ്. One scene was enough to show you as a Sufi, just one thing.
Before this movie, I never seen a movie shooting. The communication between myself and the director was very strong. It took around 2 years to start the shooting.
Oh my God.
See, definitely as a newcomer, I should say that I was a little bit disappointed. Alhamdulillah, odunnu pranan. ഈ ജന്മസൂനം.
വാതുക്കള് വെള്ളരിപ്രാവ് വാതുക്കള് വെള്ളരിപ്രാവ് വാക്ക് കൊണ്ട് മുട്ടല് കേട്ട് തുള്ളിയാമിന്നുള്ളില് വന്ന് നീയാം കടല് പ്രിയനേ നീയാം കടല്. Hi Ji, you are the hero of this song, and when I saw this song I really loved it, and afterwards I saw the movie recommended by my friends. So after I saw the movie I really wanted to interview you, and that's why we are here, and thank you for accepting to be interviewed by me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure that I'm able to get a chance to talk with you. It's my pleasure.
Thank you so much. Yeah, so you are the latest craze of Mollywood, Malayalam cine field, and everyone who sees the movie, who has seen the movie, would have really, really adored you. And I wanted to know, since it's released in OTT platform, was it a disadvantage for you or was it an advantage for you?
See, definitely as a newcomer, I should say that I was a little bit disappointed. I wanted to see myself in a big so initially, yeah, of course. Initially, when the producer Vijay Babu saw, when he told me that we are going to release it in Amazon Prime, so I was kind of disappointed, because the big screen is gonna miss.
Yeah.
But he told me that in Amazon Prime, around 200 countries, we're gonna release at the same time. So a huge number of people can watch this.
Okay.
So that I felt something good, especially in this current situation, due to this COVID situation. People cannot go to theater. Theaters are closed for a long time. So that is the best option is right now in front of me. So it was kind of, he convinced me. Then I was feeling, okay, yeah, what his thought was correct. And I'm very happy at this moment because many people could see this at the same time. That is really.
Yeah. And there are a lot of fans for you in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu, because I generally don't watch Malayalam movies unless it's very, very good. I don't watch, but since I had plenty of time and everybody recommended me this movie, so I watched this movie and I was bowled over by the music, your acting, the whole movie by itself. I think Shahnawaz sir did a great job. It's a very, very lovely, different kind of movie. It's not the usual kind. It's not the run of the mill. So I was very happy seeing that. But when I see you, I can't think of the Sufi. But in the movie, you were just gelling just like the Sufi. I have seen a lot of Sufis in my real life, and I know how they will behave and how divine they are, and how loving they are towards everyone. And you brought that, just even the very first frame is enough to show that you are a Sufi. So how did you bring that?
Ma'am, actually, in my real life experience, I never met any Sufi. So I'm very glad that you said kind of very close to the real Sufi. So I'm very happy that. So I should say the big thanks to the director, Shahnawaz sir. So he is the person in that way. So he just said very clearly how you should be the kindness, how should be your looks, how should be your peace in your. So he said very clearly. It was kind of, he said, this is the way you should perform it. So kind of it happened.
Yeah, you were looking like so divine. You got the look of Jesus. I was thinking that if we give Jesus role to you, it'll be fantastic. Okay. So you're a singer also. I have seen you singing in one video. So we all liked it very much. So would you sing for us?
So let me tell this first. It's very tough for me to sing in front of you, such a big musical background. But after acting, I enjoy music. I listen music. So definitely, what you love, you just try to do, right? So the music director of this song, Alhamdulillah, Sudeep Alnad, he's a close friend of mine.
Okay.
So he told me that just try this song. There is a cover version is coming.
Okay.
Definitely, I'll give it a try. So
Okay.
with a lots of technical support, I just did this somehow. Alhamdulillah, ഓതുന്നു പ്രാണൻ ഈ ജന്മസൂനം നീ തന്നദാനം മണ്ണോടു മണ്ണായി ചേരും വരെ നിൻ സംഗീതമേ ഞാൻ ധൂമങ്ങളായേ പാറുന്നിതാ ഞാൻ ഉന്മാദമേ.
Oh, so beautiful. Very good. You can definitely try singing, sir. It's amazing. How did you prepare for this beautiful role? Because it's a very unique role. You wouldn't have seen so many of them acting like a Sufi. So how did you prepare for this role?
So the audition happened in the year of 2018, the starting of 2018. So for any newcomer, it was kind of dream that you are doing an important character in a big movie. Such a big production house and such a big, the very known artists are performing in all the technicians, the DOP, the music director, everybody are the best in the industry. So I was very happy. At the same time, the director Shahnaaz told me exactly how, because his vision was right and he could able to connect that to me. That is a thing which if you're saying I performed well, that is a one element is really standing out. The contact, the communication between myself and the director was very strong. It took around 2 years to start the shooting.
Oh
so
my God.
Meanwhile, we used to talk most of the days about this movie, about his views, about this character. So gradually that character came into my mind organically. So that's why I could able to deliver that.
Okay. So we can see that, that he didn't keep any close-ups for you. Especially during your expressions or something, which was giving you one mystical feel, we want to see more, that kind of attitude we all had when we were seeing the movie, but we couldn't see you more, but your expressions were not in close-up, but still you made your mark perfectly well. I think he knew how to sketch your character perfectly and where to show you, how to show you exactly. Do you also feel that?
Yeah, but what I felt actually, this is the Sufi character. It's not only his expression; his entire body should behave that character.
Okay.
So most of the frames are a bit wide. I know that, but the thing is, what I felt, the entire ambience where the Sufi goes, and to show that in a particular way, it helped to come more the wider shots, and also the shots are very beautiful done by the DOP Anu Muttar. His frames are just amazing.
Yeah,
so,
really.
Now when I see that, even I feel that I should, if more close-up would work better. But for this movie, what the director needed, that was it exactly. But somehow, see, basically I wanted this character to connect with the people. The character should communicate to the people. I was not aware if it is 85mm lens, how it will be, or if it is, I don't know anything.
Okay.
He's telling this you have to act, I'm just doing. If he's fine, then.
Okay, lovely, beautiful, sir. So your dance was so special in the movie. It was so different. How did you prepare for that?
That was really challenging for me. The day one when Shahnaaz, the director, explained me the story, he said, Sufi means the whirling thing is a part of them. So we cannot, get an additional artist or someone to perform that for you. You should do that.
Oh.
And just imagine you are doing this for past 25 years. How your body will, it will be automatically flow. It will be like a water, it should flow. So to make it happen, you should practice. And he sent me few videos. The day I saw the videos, I was kind of, oh my God, how can I do this? It was really tough. But yes, I love movies. I want to become an actor from very long back. So this is my opportunity. So what I can do, I just did my best. I started practicing. It took around 9 to 10 months to perform at least like what I did in the movie. But I know that if I compare with the videos what the director shared me, I'm just doing maybe less than 10% of what they are doing. That I know very clearly. But in a movie aspect, just for 2-3 minutes, I did it. Somehow I managed the show, I think.
No, no, it was very, very beautiful. We were thinking that you were a natural dancer. That's why I told you you're, what do you say, you're versatile. You can sing very well, you can dance very well, and act very well too. So you've done all the three beautifully. I'm sure a big stardom is awaiting you. So how are your fans reacting for your movie? Tell me.
I don't know whether they are my fans or they're movie fans, but I felt that they love this movie a lot. Even not only me, each
So
character.
you don't have to doubt. You don't have to doubt. You have fans, definitely. Please. Even my sister is a fan. She also is a great fan of yours.
Really happy for that. So yeah, I'm getting messages from the people, and they love the character. They love the way I did this in this movie, and they wanted to see me more in the movie. I'm very happy in that. They're asking me what is my next project, all those things. So I'm very happy because that is a thing when we do perform something, when you get some feedback from the people, it gives you a more motivation to go further. Yeah.
So what kind of movies actually you like?
Basically, I love to watch all genre movies. I love
Okay.
to watch all genre, but I enjoy more the realistic movie, more which I can directly relate to the what
Okay.
I see. So such kind of movies will be more closer to myself.
Are you into sports, exercising, etc., etc., etc.?
Yes. I
Yes.
used to play cricket actually. Yeah, I used to play
Okay.
cricket for long, and I
Okay.
love fitness. I'm working out maybe the last 5-6 years continuously every day. But
Mm.
for this movie, I was a little more built at that time during the audition. So the
Okay.
director said if he is coming with a built way, people cannot relate. So you have to
Okay.
change your work. So then weightlifting or that, I just started doing the cardio core workouts, agility workouts, all those things I started. So yeah,
Okay.
I'm allowed.
Okay. So how was it working with Aditi Rao? Because she's a beautiful singer. She's a lovely dancer. She's a Kathak dancer, right? So how was it working with her?
It was just amazing actually. So I was kind of worried about how Aditi will be. She's doing Manesar movie, Sanjay Sa movie, lots of big directors. She's working with big directors. Most of the language in India. So I don't know how she is. So the day I met her, I told her that I'm very new to this. I don't know anything. I need your support. She said, "Don't worry at all. Everybody started like this only. So take your time, take a deep breath, understand what you're gonna do. Just relax, be in that, do it. If you mistake, doesn't matter. We are going to do the next day. So don't
Okay.
worry about anything, her time, nothing. Just do. Just enjoy yourself. What you're doing. Just involve in that. Everything will fall in.
Um, what was your favorite scene in the movie? What is your favorite scene in the movie?
Uh, my favorite scene that I'm giving Azan.
Oh.
The initial, yeah. Because there's a story behind that.
Mm.
Shahnaaz, the director, he told me that see, the Azan is a character in this movie.
Oh, yeah,
So
yeah.
character should live through Sufi. So
Okay.
how you are treating the Azan, so the depth of the Azan character will be like that. So he just said that, and before the shot, the first starting, there is a Sufi is giving an Azan, right? So
Mm.
he just come to me and he just told me that just imagine this is your last Azan.
Mm.
This is the least Azan you are going to give Allah. Just imagine that. That's it. He didn't say anything to me,
Okay.
but it comes. I don't know it. So that is my favorite scene.
So what is your next project?
Next project, I'm listening stories.
Mm.
A few I like. So I'm just looking forward. But due to this corona, the lockdown, and we are unable to meet personally
Oh,
and
okay,
discuss.
okay.
A
Okay.
few stories, I really like the stories. So
Okay.
looking forward to everything back to normal, the situation and all.
So how was your lockdown? Are you also working somewhere else, or I
Yeah,
read
actually,
one
I
of
was
your interview. In that it was written that you are working in an MNC or something. So
yeah, I'm working in MNC in Bangalore. So, but right now I'm in a leave.
okay, okay,
So yeah, so that's managing now.
okay. How did you what do you say, spend your time in lockdown?
I watch movies, I read books, listening
Okay,
music, and nowadays listening stories. Like every day I'm listening stories, new scripts and all.
Okay.
So mostly that day is enough to fill this with all these activities.
Okay. Are you preparing anything specially for acting? Because you wanted to become an actor since you were born. I mean, in the sense, whenever you wanted to take a career as acting, or
No. Not exactly. Like
mm,
I used to watch movies from very young age and go to theater watching movies.
okay.
But somehow I don't know which age I started feeling like I want to try acting. Even
Oh,
I don't know. But I remember during the high school time or the college time, I wanted to give it a try, but I was not
mm,
confident to try that because I was thinking if I do it will correct or not. I was kind of confused whether I should do or not.
oh,
But my everything gone. But once I back to the working time, I started thinking this is kind of disturbing me. I should try. I should try. Then I just give it a try. But
okay.
I was really passionate.
Okay. Did your parents allow you to pursue your passion?
Yeah, they're totally fine. They
Oh,
don't have any
really?
problem.
Oh,
Yeah. They love movies. They love movies. They are
oh,
totally fine. I think they were more excited than me before the movie
okay.
release.
What did they say after seeing you in Sufim Sujata?
After seeing they liked the movie. They said, yeah, you should. Uh, I mean, learn more acting. Try to perform better. That's it.
Oh, they weren't satisfied with your acting in that. I
They're
thought
happy. They're happy.
one scene was enough to show you as a Sufi, just one scene. So
Yeah.
throughout you maintained that very well.
Yeah. So they're happy in many ways, but they said you should watch more movies and spend your more time in this. Then you should perform better. Yeah,
What are your favorite Tamil movies? Do you watch Tamil
yeah.
movies?
Really, I do watch. I go to theater and I watch. I think last I watched the movie Kaiti movie. I watched in theater. Most of the movies I go in theater and watch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So your favorite director?
In Tamil,
Ah, okay,
I
you can
used to
say in
work with
Malayalam
Mani.
also. You can tell in
My,
Malayalam
uh,
also.
Tamil, I used to work with Mani sir, of course.
Oh, okay.
Because Aditya always talk about him. So
Aditi,
she
okay.
will, yeah, she worked with him, right? So she always talk about him. Even I love his movies, of course. So I used to, I don't know whether it happened or not, but I hope to happen sometime.
Okay. Can you sing one more song? You're singing so well. Any song.
I'll sing a Hindi song. Tamil,
Oh,
right
no
now it's
problem. Anything is fine. Anything is fine.
that's why I don't want to take a try yet.
Okay.
अजीब दास्तां है कहाँ शुरू कहाँ कदम ये मंजिलें है कौन सी न वो समझ सके न हम अजीब दास्तां है कहाँ शुरू कहाँ कदम ये मंजिलें है कौन सी न वो समझ सके न हम.
Very nice, sir. Sir, you're a very good singer. You should sing for all your movies. So the music was so special in Sufim Sujata. I really loved it. So tell me about the music in Sufim Sujata.
Yes, actually, first I started listening the song Alhamdulillah because before the movie starts, director Shanoska used to send me each lines, the starting Alhamdulillah, how it was evolved into this. So I used to listen every day. I remember the first song I got was around 2 minutes or something. So I started listening that. Then it gradually developed. The song became like that. Meanwhile, the M.J. Yendran sir song Vadilkal Veleri Prava came. That is also a beautiful song. And
yeah,
at the
it's
same
gone
time,
around 8 million, right? It's 8 million views.
Yeah, it's close to 8 million. Yeah, it's close to 8 million. So that song came. So it was kind of really happy. And the other third song, the Urdu song was also. So I was damn sure that the song's gonna be well noticed in this movie. But much before, maybe before the shoot, I got the song. So I used to listen all the time. I knew that this song gonna be a hit.
It's okay. What is your best compliment from anyone in this field, in cine field, who all called you and congratulated you?
Yeah, actually, immediately after the movie release, Jay Surya, he also acted as a Rajiv director. Jay Surya, he's a very big actor. he called me. He's the first person calling me. He said that, so I saw the movie. It is really nice. You did a very good job. Doesn't look like it's your first movie. Long way to go. Focus, learn, and just just enjoy the moment. So it was like really happy for me.
Okay. What did Aditi say? Aditi Rao say to you?
Aditi, maybe the next day, she said, "Man, you did a very good job.
Oh.
Okay, keep going." She knows that she was a big support for me. I should say, if there was something, she was. Most of my combo scenes was with Aditi, so it was a very good, very good friendship between us. So it really helped me to perform like that.
Okay.
So it's a big compliment to Aditi as well. For making
She has also had a spike in her fan following after this movie. Because one of her songs I had sung, and suddenly I saw some 26 million, because the last time I saw it was only some 17 million or something, and suddenly I saw 26 million in this lockdown. So I knew this is after the spike, after acting in Sufi and Sujata. Is there anything interesting that happened in the sets, sir? Something unforgettable.
I should say.
Okay. This is your first movie, right?
Yeah, because before this movie, I never seen a movie shooting. I was totally aware. I remember the first day the shoot started, I was not having shoot, but I was in the set to see how it is these things work. So after action, how it is happening and how these scenes are taking, what is this, suggestion and what is that I was just observing the first day, because next day I have shoot.
Yeah. So how was it standing before the camera first time and acting?
Actually, my first scene was a song cut in Vadilkil Velari Prava. There is a last, towards the end, I'm teaching the kids sitting, and I was teaching the kids. That was a Surat, I was teaching the kids.
Okay.
So the camera, everything was ready. Again, the director came to me and he said, "What are you gonna do?" I said, "You tell me." So he asked me to learn many surats actually. So I learned. He asked me, "You teach the surats to the kids." I said, "Okay." If you ask me now, I don't know where was the camera. I didn't notice it. I just did it.
Okay.
So after that, he said me, he's not calling cut.
Oh.
So the surat I completed once. Again, I did. Third time I did continuously. I'm doing. He's not calling cut. So after third time I completion, he's calling cut.
Okay.
Then he came to me. Everybody gave me an applause. He came to me. I was not feeling to call cut here. It was really nice. So I was very happy.
Okay. How did they treat you on the set?
Yeah, with the director actually there was very less communication.
Oh.
Because we used to talk a lot before the movie. He just come and he just gave me some, some points. This is your last azan. Okay. That's it. So if I am doing something wrong, he will say that you could have been doing this better. Then I'll give an extra. Then it was happening like that. But the other people, definitely the DOP and my co-artist, everybody were like, supporting me like the best. So I was kind of very happy and enjoying chilling and all.
Okay. What do you want to tell your fans? You're the new craze for them.
No, I'm very happy that everybody loved this movie, everybody loved the music, and everybody loved this character Sufi. So I'm very happy. And few people told me when they hear the word Sufi, your face is coming. I'm very happy in that way. So a big thanks to all the people who supported me, who watched this movie, and who's messaging me. I know that I'm trying to reply most of the people, but I'm not able to complete for everybody. So sorry from my end, and keep supporting me, watch my movies, and yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much for the time, and also wishing you great success. You started off so well. I'm sure well begun is half done. There's many more milestones for you to achieve. All the best for that, and wishing God's blessings for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.